Hey YouTube, Israel here with another video. This is going to be about my knife storage. I've reorganized my folding knife collection storage, and here's some nice Spydercos to look at. And you know, obviously I have a large number of knife collectors, some Kershaws over here that subscribe to me. And us knife collectors, obviously like any other collector, you know, we definitely are very obsessed with how we store and organize our collections. And we're constantly reorganizing. You know, this is an updated organization. I have my Spydercos over here and my bird knives. And I have my Kershaw collection right next to it. Probably my two most favorite large knife companies. Alright, and here, let's open up some of these knives to give you some cool stuff to look at. Mannix 2, and you see this little section right here, that's my G10 foliage green little mini collection I got going over there. Mannix 2. It's over here. I have not reviewed this yet. Alright. And you know, I know that's not a Kershaw, but it's a very it's a very nice little gentleman's folder. And so I had to put it with the other small folders there. Let's go old school. Remember this? The Kershaw NRG from before they changed it to a black handle. Nice, always had a very nice hollow grind. There, you can see right there. Nice knife. Oh, here's one. The Lahar. Yes. There. Nice blade there. Alright, and what's in the other drawers? Dun dun. Oh, here, let me back us up. What is all this? Well, Profili, Timberline, Blade Tech, Cabela's limited edition Gerber Freeman folder, SOG Vulcan, Lone Wolf knives, M. Custa, Secchi Cuts, Almar, Emerson, Zero Tolerance, the Bradley Balisong, Tops knife over there, some Italian stilettos. Alright, the Piranha Auto. These are mostly my higher end, like 1 or 2 of type of knives. 511. And of course, my Benchmades. Let's show some of these. Benchmade Spike Auto. Nice. An old school knife. You know, it was traded to me by one of my students, because when you teach martial arts for free, people tend to give you, you know, gifts and stuff, and I like it very much. What's this? These are my Jung Lee knives. This is hold on, let me find it. You probably haven't seen this knife before. Jung Lee, hold on. Venom Razor. The Jung Lee Venom Razor, that's the actual name of it. Yep. And it's, hold on, ATS 36, no, ATS 34, excuse me. That's an old school type of steel. The new guys might not know what ATS 34 steel is, but it's basically, it's kind of like 154 CM, but it's more expensive, so they switched over mainly to 154 CM. The Vulcan Coronado, little known knife. Almar, nice. Almar Shrike. Alright, and what's in the other drawer? Here, I can't open them all or it'll tip over. What's in here? Well, you see my Columbia River knife and tool section. You see my Blackhawk knives, my Camillus knives. What's here? Oh, these are all my Boker collection. All right. These are all Bokers. The Boker ceramics, Chadlos Banos designs, the large size ones, and of course cold steel. And yeah, I've never shown this knife. You might like it. That's right. Vaquero XX large size. I don't even think they make this anymore. I don't think they make this size anymore. It's the biggest folder that I own. Put that up there. What's up here? What do we got here? We've got San Remu. Hold on. San Remu knives. We've got some Smith & Wesson. We've got some SOG, some Schrade, some Gerber. Hold on. Some Gerber knives right there. We've got, hold on. We've got K-Bar. Nice American company. We got Colt, Meyerco, Outdoor Edge. And another American company, Buck. Nice knives by them. Alright, and let's open up some of these. This SOG Aegis. Nice impressive blade. What's this? It's a Schrade OTF knife. Alright, and as you can tell, this drawer is a lot of my more budget stuff. And last drawer, what is in here? Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, what's this? Knuckle knife. Knuckle knife. And you know, these are my off-brand knives, very cheap, but nonetheless a lot of these knives are quite effective. This is my Karambit and Hawkbill section over here. Alright. And as I said, just because these are cheap doesn't mean that they're not pretty deadly. These are all functional. I don't keep crap knives. This could be used, you know. A lot of these are folding dagger, folding boot knife type things. This one is nice. What does it say? Alright, let me show you what this says. May God bless us all. That's what I like on my dagger. Alright, and what is up here in this section? Well, you know, it's basically different types of tomahawk, different types of machete. Alright, so there you have my current knife storage. And you know, the hardest part of knife storage is actually leaving room for more stuff. So when I made this new organizing system, I left a lot of room in the drawers so I don't have to reorganize it every time I get one or two new knives, okay? So I left room for new stuff. Now that they're opened, there's no room, but I left ample room for new stuff, you know what I'm saying? Well, a little room. Alright, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this folding knife storage and display video. And this has been Israel. Stay tuned for many more videos of all kinds. I am out.